Hello, this is the NCR Counterpoint point of sale screen. So this is my version. And the reason I say that is because everything that you see here is customizable. The tiles or the buttons that you put over to the right, your pay tenders, your more buttons, what you want to have access to, that you can preset denominations, have coupons set up. Up here, I can put functions that I want to have quick access to, like holding a ticket, looking up a customer, deleting a line, deleting a ticket, my help functions, my home button. So however you want to design this, you can. You can easily here switch from customer to customer. You can also switch from sales rep to sales rep. The ticket functions down below can be modified. And then the ticket headers that you see here can be modified as well. So if you want to show maybe a sale price, you can modify that as well and add that to this ticket view. Okay, let's go ahead and do a quick ticket. So I'm going to go ahead and scan a couple of items. Okay, at this point, it's just a walk-in customer, so we're not going to worry about adding a customer to the transaction. So I'll go ahead and hit my pay button, and then I'm going to go ahead and pay with cash. They're giving me $60. I hit OK. At this point, it's going to trigger the receipt to print and the drawer to pop normally. Now, for demonstration purposes, I have it prompting to show you what you can do. So you can email a receipt, you can print a gift receipt, or print a regular receipt. And of course, it's showing you what your change due is. Okay, this is what my regular receipt looks like. These are customizable. You can put your logo at the top, your company information. If you have multiple locations, obviously, you'd have multiple different types of store information printed. You can also set up text at the bottom and at the top. I'm sorry, at the bottom and the top of other things that you might want to communicate about your business. So at the top, you might want to say, thank you for visiting our store. Check out our website at such and such. At the bottom, you might want to list your store hours. You might want to talk about a loyalty program or a wine of the month club, something like that. So you can utilize your receipt to be a marketing tool as well. Okay, let me talk a little bit about the buttons here. So the return button basically allows you to do a validated return. So there is a barcode on the receipt that you can scan to return merchandise, but you can return merchandise by looking for the document as well. So if they don't have the receipt, but you're still going to allow the return to take place, you can look up the transaction by the card that they used, by item number, by customer number, a range, plus you have a more advanced search functionality as well. And then you can call up that ticket and then return just the individual items. Okay. I also have a message center. So if you have, let's say you have multiple locations and your corporate location wants to communicate to the cashiers, or it doesn't even have to be multiple locations. It can just be the corporate communicating to the cashiers. They can use the message center so they don't have to have the cashiers launch their email address. They can just communicate pop-up messages like, don't forget to sell gift cards, or the most number of gift cards sold by noon gets a free lunch, something like that. Orders are available within Counterpoint, so you can create orders for items. So if you want a special order a bottle of wine, you can do that. Counterpoint allows you to do that. Discounts, so you can have discount codes. So I have a few set up here. So I can get a $7 discount off $50 or more. I can set up senior discounts, employee discounts, price overrides, and so forth. So I can do all of that, and that can all be locked down as well. So you can have it so only a manager can, do a price override or provide a discount and so forth. You can also set up price rules, and we'll talk more about that in the inventory section, but you can set up a promotion, like a Valentine's Day special on wine. And that can have a start and an end date, and it can be just on wine, and you can discount by discount percentage or flat rate or by markup, margin, etc. So there's lots of ways that you can trigger a discount behind the scenes as well. Okay, you can sell products from the menu. So that's how I have this set up here. So this item specifically actually has an item note attached to it, and it's designed to help my cashiers talk about our Wine of the Month Club. Okay, so it's going to pop up when I enter my this particular item. Okay, so you can have notes associated with that.